1. Are you tired of the same old taco fillings? 2. Well, get ready to spice things up with a nutritious twist. 3. Introducing the incredible benefits of using salmon in tacos. 4. First and foremost, salmon is packed with heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. 5. These healthy fats are known to promote brain function and support cardiovascular health. 6. Not only that, but salmon is also an excellent source of protein. 7. Protein plays a crucial role in building and repairing tissues in our bodies. 8. Plus, it keeps us feeling fuller for longer, which can aid in weight management. 9. Another fantastic benefit of using salmon is its rich vitamin content. 10. Salmon has vitamins D, B12, and B6 that help keep our immune system strong. 11. Did you know that salmon is also a great source of minerals? 12. It contains significant amounts of potassium, selenium, and calcium, essential for maintaining optimal health. 13. Furthermore, using salmon in tacos adds a unique and delicious flavor profile. 14. The mild and savory taste of salmon pairs perfectly with a variety of salsas and spices. 15. Not only does it taste amazing, but it also adds a burst of vibrant color to your taco creations. 16. With its pinkish hue, salmon can make any dish visually appealing. 17. For those following a gluten-free diet, salmon tacos are an excellent option. 18. Instead of using traditional tortillas, you can opt for gluten-free alternatives like lettuce wraps or corn tortillas. 19. These alternatives are not only delicious but also suitable for individuals with gluten sensitivities. 20. Lastly, let's not forget about the undeniable versatility of salmon tacos. 21. You can experiment with different toppings, from fresh vegetables to zesty sauces. 22. Whether you prefer a spicy kick or a milder flavor, salmon tacos can cater to your taste preferences. 23. So, say goodbye to ordinary tacos and say hello to the endless possibilities of salmon-filled delight. 24. Revamp Taco Tuesday with a healthy and flavorful twist, courtesy of the mighty salmon. 25. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. Join us on this incredible journey. Subscribe now for captivating content that entertains, educates, and inspires. Be a part of our growing community.